I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Melon Playground build and where it's installed, because file paths differ by platform. Once you know the install location, enable any developer or debug options to make file access simpler. This often exposes mod folders. Next, open the game directory directly. On PC, use File Explorer inside Steam's common folder, and on Android, use an APK extractor or storage browser. Doing this first saves time and prevents accidental edits in the wrong folder. Now install or open a capable file manager. On PC, use Explorer or 7-zip. On Android, use an app with root or scoped storage support. Make sure you grant storage permissions, and, if necessary, mount the game folder so the manager can edit files. If assets are packaged, open them with an archive viewer, extract before editing. Once mounted and extracted, you can navigate to the Assets, Mods, or Saves folders and prepare specific files for modification or backup. Finish by backing up originals, then make targeted edits using tools that preserve file encoding and structure. For example, edit JSON with a plain text editor and binary assets with proper editors. After saving, test the game and monitor logs for errors. If something breaks, restore your backup immediately, clear the game cache, or use the platform's verify/repair feature to restore corrupted files. One quick troubleshooting tip: if changes don't appear, restart the app or device to flush cached assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.